as the title suggests, we are getting the S13 running today, hopefully. Hopefully there's no crazy surprises and everything ends up being pretty good. We have it loaded up onto the trailer. No one's right here holding the mouse.
So I don't even know where this came from.
All right, we can't do it here. Let's get to the shop.
I'm actually surprised that I put the steering wheel on.
All right, so we end up getting the car to the shop. It's Friday night, and we got some shopping to do with the ladies of the Bill Moore household. You excited for this in the morning?
Yes.
All right.
Very.
So we will be here tomorrow at some point. So we can make this old turd run. And it's the next day. Look, it's up on the rack. All right. Cypress rust on all the white stuff. Typical white Nissan or white car junk. I got my headlight on. So Nolan got the sway bar back on. We got to run the transmission wiring. We got to get the exhaust hooked up.
I think it's all automatic stuff.
No, the oil filter housing is leaking pretty good. We got a gasket for it. We're about to get to work. We're going to film some of it. I don't know. But day 2, which is really day 1 because we didn't do anything yesterday. Check it out though. Coilovers in the front, different color coilovers in the back. No name exhaust.
It's got a name. It's called Burnout. I don't know what it means.
Burnout exhaust. Hell yeah. And mad camber in the front. These wheels are great. These are the replacement parts from where it was in the accident. This fender's been replaced. The hood, like I said, Nolan said the hood and fender were different. And I'm just really now looking at it honestly for the first time because let him have just full range of doing his own car and whatever the hell he wanted to do to it. But let's get to work. The oil filter housing is off. You can see all the leaking it done and went over everywhere. So we got to get all the old gasket material off of it, clean this surface up, then put the new one from Nissan on there. And if anyone's interested, it took me some looking. This is your OEM part number for it right here. You can still get them. The bonus footage here for this episode of Bill Moore. Had to take a break from working on Nolan's S13. Come out to the house to grab some stuff. Had to get an intake boot from my buddy Cody. He's been hoarding this for about, how long now?
Almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years. And this is his very much work in progress.
To be continued.
Not very often you see a two-tone hatch.
It's a bone stock two-tone hatch.
Yeah. I think Nolan tried to talk him out of it once, and Cody was like, just get off
I'll
my
trade
yard.
you a turbo first.
Hey, all Nolan heard was get the hell out of here, and a shotgun click-clacked. And he was, all right, we're trying to bully Cody and letting us crank it up today, but he won't let us.
I'll let you know.
It's gonna be like 10 and then
It's beautiful.
10. Tonight you're just gonna be like.
So bought from the original owner, pretty much. His son, the original owner's son. Gotcha. Yeah. So I mean, it's set for 20 years.
Yep.
This is the exhaust.
Yep.
We don't need it. We're right after out the side anyway.
I was jacking it up and it fell out. I didn't even remove it.
Have you looked at the rockers or anything? How's it look?
I do. There's no bubbling on it.
Looks
It honestly
A lot
looks
nicer than mine.
a little better shape than your white one. Yeah.
I'm thinking I gotta find another shell.
No,
Clean,
we're not doing it for a third time, fourth time.
I'll
Fifth
take all
time.
the parts off my current one.
Anyone
and
that's
put
been
it-
watching these videos since the beginning, how many S13s have Nolan had? Just count them. Let me know. I don't
I've
even feel like
four.
doing it.
I've had 4. A
Alright.
Blackbird. You
Back to the shop. All right, oil filter base went on there without a hitch. You got some oil in it. Got it all put back together. Now see how it runs actually. See if we got any more crazy leaks. Will it run better than last time? Don't rev or anything. No, I just want to see if we got any leaks whenever it starts up, okay? Yeah. We'll watch this live together, everybody. And it runs like I thought it would. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What, burnout?
Sell it? Let's play with the sugar a little bit. Hold on. Keep it going. Just make sure the trans works.
Kind of match the brake at the same time, okay?
Yeah. It did it. Cool. Cool. Alright, we've done what we set out to do here at the shop. Let's get to the house. I have no idea what he's doing. Oop, almost dropped the phone. What are you doing? Anyone else know what he's doing? Alright.
Popped out of gear for a second.
Put it in a spot. We're gonna get it up on the trailer, get it home, okay?
Yes, sir. I don't know why, but it popped out of first gear.
It's fine. Alright. In a spot, we'll get the trailer hooked up, get it back home. To the house. In the blink of an eye, the thing is loaded back up on the trailer. We have two puny straps holding it front and back, but it should be good enough. It doesn't weigh anything, and we are only going about 15 miles. Alright, shut that down.
So what are we selling? I'm just kidding.
Yeah. Hey, anyone got an RX-7? No one said he'd take one. Damn. I was in the shop just all willy-nilly and left my truck running. Somebody could have got the truck, the trailer, the title, everything. We've been up that creek over there in Alabama. Shits. Alright. We're homebound. At the house. Yeah, it's fine, you can leave it open.
Okay.
Let's get this thing off the trailer.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Time to lower this thing down. Look, crank it up together. Pops us under first thing. Oh, that sounds like a rotary. You gotta do it the other way. Alright, so what should they do?
Like and subscribe.
That's right, comment. Let's fix this bad boy up the rest of the way. Let's get to a drift event at the end of this month. One step closer. You got the bumper back on.
Almost.
Yeah. Looking pretty good though. I mean. Alright, we gotta go shopping for your mom. Mother's Day. I need you to go in there and get cleaned up.
Yes, sir.
You wanna finish bolting this side up and then we go?
Sure.
Alright guys, I think that really will be it for this episode. We got it up and running, at least it moved. Y'all seen it move around the yard. Maybe we'll drive it the next one. Planning on a video getting this to the drag strip to see how it does, because I am curious. I don't know. He's talking about trying to trade it for another RX-7 at this point. Who knows?
Already.
Who knows what he wants to do? See, when you get done with the project, or kind of done, he's like, oh, let's abandon it. But hurry up, get those on there, and then we're going to go, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.